Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Zakira, and in today's video we are going to talk about sunscreens. Now, what are sunscreen, why do you need sunscreens, and what is the importance of sunscreen in your skincare routine? We're going to talk about all that. Plus, I'm going to share my 3 favorite sunscreens which I swear by all the time with you guys. A sunscreen will basically protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. So what is an SPF? SPF is sun protection factor. Now what does it measure? It measures the level of UVB rays protection that you get from the sunscreen. So for example, when you see on the packaging of a sunscreen that it is SPF 15, that it means that it can block almost 93% of the sun's UVB rays. And similarly, if it is SPF 30, it would block 97% of the UVB rays, and if it is SPF 50, it will block 98% of the UVB rays. So to simplify, if you use an SPF 50 sunscreen, your skin will take 50 times longer to get sunburned than if you have not applied the sunscreen. So that means the higher the SPF, the longer sun protection and lesser skin damage. So if you don't wear an SPF, you are at the risk of premature aging, for example, fine lines, wrinkles, sun damage like suntan, sunburn, etc. Now that you know what does SPF 15, 30, 50 means, now let's talk about the PA, because these days you might have seen on the sunscreen that it is PA double plus, plus, triple plus, 4 times plus. What does that mean? So PA is basically the protection from UVA rays from the sun. Now SPF 50, 13, all that was UVB rays. Now this is UVA rays. So now in the same way, the higher the PA, the more protection you get from the UVA rays. For example, PA triple plus will offer more UVA protection than PA plus. Okay, now that you know the theory part of the sunscreen, let's talk about which are my favorite sunscreens and which I like to use. So the first one is the Iba Invisible SPF 50 PA++++, which means it has a lot of UVA and UVB protection in it. This sunscreen has a watery gel formula. It melts into your skin, and it is one of the lightest and the most lightweight sunscreen that I have ever used, because it is a water gel kind of consistency, so you don't feel that you are wearing anything on your skin. Also, it has a very refreshing feel to it. Once you apply it, you will suddenly feel so fresh. It says it has matte finish, but it does not have matte finish. It has a very dewy kind of a glowy kind of a finish to it. And to prove my point, I have 2 of these with me. This one is completely empty. I've used it entirely. Now I have a new one with me. It would be great for all skin types except sensitive skin, because sometimes I've heard that sensitive skin gets irritated with this product. I have sensitive skin. I have never had this issue. Yeah, this was Iba Invisible SPF 50. Now moving on to my second favorite, and that is the Face Shop Natural Sun Eco No Shine Hydrating Sun Creme. Also says no shine, but it also has a shine to it. It is little more hydrating than this one, but it has SPF 50 PA+++, and it says it is mattifying, but it is not mattifying at all. It makes the skin feel very velvety smooth, you know, gives a beautiful glow to your face, and velvety smooth is the word I would like to use with this product. It is from a Korean skincare brand, so I swear by this because it has a lot of good skincare ingredients in it. It has chia seed, it has a lot of different things in it, so I really trust this one with the skincare part as well. It's great for oily skin type because it has this very glowy and dewy feel to it, yet it is not greasy, sticky or oily at all. This one is a little on the pricier side compared to the Iba one, but it does have some amazing Korean skincare in it, so I am not complaining about the price point of this. I think gone are the days when sunscreens used to be thick and heavy and, you know, uncomfortable. These days we get such amazing formulations that they are so light on your skin, you won't even feel that you are wearing so much of sunscreen. In fact, it gives a beautiful glow to your face. And I have oily skin, I have sensitive skin, and most of the time whenever I'm wearing a sunscreen, I get this compliment like, you're glowing, but it's just the sunscreen, it's nothing else. Moving on to Dr. Sheth's ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. Now This one has got a lot of hype in the Indian skincare industry, and I am all for it. I agree with everything that is being said about this beautiful product, and I'm so happy that this is a made in India product. This is slightly thicker and more hydrating than the previous two that I mentioned. It has got this beautiful creamy yet very lightweight formula. It has 1% hyaluronic acid and 1% ceramide, which I think is great if you have dry skin. Your dry skin will love this one, and even for all skin types, I would definitely suggest this one because it has such an amazing formula that it just glides on your skin and it makes your skin feel so glowy, dewy, and so nourished as well as protected. Also, it has got more than 4,000 ratings on Nykaa of 4.5 out of 5, which I think is brilliant, and it says a lot about this product and how much Indian women are loving it. I can definitely not choose one from 3 of these, but I have made quite clear about the characteristics of 3 of them. So whatever suits you, whatever skin type you have, whatever formulation you like better, you can choose any of this. All the links of the products that I'm mentioning will be in the description. This is not a sponsored video. All this are my opinion, and if you have never used a sunscreen before, I would highly suggest you try any one of these, and I'm sure it is going to help you. And even if you are staying indoors, you should use a sunscreen because UVA and UVB rays are always present in the environment. So make sure you use a sunscreen, try any one of this. And yeah, with that said, I hope this video helped you in some way make a better choice, and yeah, I will see you with the next one. Bye.